Hello, what's up everyone? I'm Ananya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a voiceover video because I'm back to my city because of whatever is going on in the world, and here's a lot of background noises since it's daytime. So I'm gonna film in the daylight and voiceover at night. Yeah, it's hectic. I also put a lot of effort on the background this time, so today I'll be drawing on my face again. I will be doing this wavy, oceany look inspired by the very talented Mimals on Instagram. Check her out to get your mind blown out of the universe. Along with that, I'll also be doing a really easy and simple yet complex looking nail art to match with my face. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by applying primer on one side of my face because I want to do the ocean part first. Next up, I'm going to use this concealer for my base. Now, I do not have face paints, never tried them, but this concealer, it's too thick to be used as a concealer but works so perfectly as a base, just like a paint. It's fully opaque, a perfect base for any eyeshadow, and it's cheap. Bingo! I will be using the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm gonna start coloring. So the concealer is wet. I haven't set it with any powder. So what I'm gonna do is stamp the shadows and then blend them. So stamp and blend. This will give you the best pigmentation. These shadows are not even so great. They are chalky, but they work amazingly because of this technique. By the way, I'm going to link all the products that I'm using down in the description, and yeah, you can trust me this time. I mean, I always say this and never link anything in any of my videos, but I'm doing it this time, okay? Including all previous videos. So after the base is done, it's time to start adding in the details. So here I'm doing the foam or the spray of water first. I'm using a toothpick to make it actually look like a spray of water. And now I'm gonna do the tiny ship, boat, raft thingy. I'm trying to outline with a liner, but that is not working. We'll have to use eyeshadow. Now working with a detail brush and paint is easy, but you can't do that with an eyeshadow. So it's really hard to do tiny details like this because the brush of an eyeshadow is too big for details like this. Okay, that's the best I can do. And a wave is done. For now. There's still a little bit more to do, but we'll do that later. Okay, now let's do the other side of my face. Oh my god, I look so bad. Why do I even film this close? My face looks so distorted, like And then I'm going to carve it out with concealer. Doing my eye base as well with the same concealer. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this concealer because this is the only thing I found that is close to my skin color. Everything else is just way too dark or light for me. Time for concealer again. My base is just concealer at this point. And then I'm gonna set everything in place. Okay, so for the eyes, I wanted to do something simple, so I decided to use a cream eyeshadow. Now, I don't really know how this stuff works. It's probably going to end up creasing, so I don't know why I did that. Now, time to finish the wave. For the lips, I'm going to outline and fill them in first with the lip pencil and then applying this beautiful nude shade. And we are done with the face. Now let's do our nails. Starting off with the unpeel off base coat as always. And then I'm going to paint with this beautiful sky blue shade. I'm doing 2 coats to make it fully opaque. Now I'm going to protect my skin around all nails with liquid latex except the middle and accent. We'll do them later. I'm going to make them look like a pool, like when you look inside a pool, that cool pattern. I don't know how to explain it. I got this idea from Hannah Rocks It Nails video and I think it's really cool. So next up I'm taking a darker blue and painting it on top like so. And while it's still wet, I'm gonna dab a scrunched up plastic film on top of it. You can use saran wrap and that will make this really cool effect. I'm gonna add a top coat. Wow, it turned out really good on the thumb. Now for the wave nail art. I'm gonna take my beautiful white clean palette, which I just washed right now. I will be using watercolors. You can totally use acrylic paints. It's up to you. This is cobalt blue hue, viridian hue, Chinese white, I'm wasting a lot of colors right now. I'm adding a matte top coat for no reason. I like painting on matte surfaces. That's it. So this nail art is really easy to do. This is kinda inspired by a really old video of the Nailosaurus, I think. All I'm doing is taking the shades of blue and green that I mixed earlier and painting the shape of a wave. Kinda mixing and playing with the colors until I feel like it looks good. After that's done, I'm gonna rip off a corner of a makeup sponge so that you get this jagged end. All you have to do is take some white, dilute it a little bit, not too much. This is what we are trying to achieve. And I'm gonna sponge it on top like so with the help of tweezers to make the water spray thing. Doing the exact same on the accent nail. I'm gonna top it off with a glossy top coat and then a matte top coat because I couldn't resist myself. And that's it. Time for the final reveal. Alright, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of new looks planned which I may not do videos of, but I will be posting them on my Instagram soon, like very soon. So follow me there. Follow me everywhere else in social media. I am Ananya Creates everywhere. Subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of fun stuff coming up. Hit that bell to never miss any upload. Like, share, comment, blah blah blah. Okay, bye.